Welcome back to Next Gen Luxury Motorhomes. Today we are diving into one of the most futuristic and luxurious RVs ever imagined, the 2027 Thor Palazzo Motorhome. If you thought motorhomes were simply about compact living on wheels, this model will absolutely change your perception. What you are looking at here is not just an RV, it's a multi-story rolling mansion built for the traveler who doesn't want to compromise on luxury, space, or innovation. Starting from the exterior, the Thor Palazzo 2027 demands attention the moment it rolls into view. Its towering three-level design immediately sets it apart from conventional Class A motorhomes. The sleek, aerodynamic front end with bold LED accents, a massive windshield for panoramic visibility, and a futuristic grille design all scream premium engineering. The exterior graphics have been modernized with elegant sweeping lines, and you'll notice multiple slide-outs expanding the living space once parked. The sheer presence of this motorhome rivals that of a small home, and yet it remains road legal, carefully engineered for balance, safety, and smooth handling on highways. Moving to the interior, this is where the Palazzo truly becomes a game changer. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a full-size living area that feels more like a penthouse apartment than a motorhome. The first level is designed with a spacious lounge, featuring plush seating, high-end materials, and smart LED lighting. The dashboard isn't isolated. It flows directly into the living room, creating a seamless open layout where the driver and passengers can interact freely. This is perfect for long road trips where everyone wants to feel included in the journey. The kitchen has been carefully separated from the main living area, providing a dedicated space for cooking. Equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktops, an oven, and smart storage solutions, it ensures that no culinary need is left unmet. The use of modern materials such as stone-finish countertops and touch panel cabinetry enhances the luxury feel. Unlike many RVs, the kitchen doesn't feel cramped but designed for real cooking and entertaining on the road. The Palazzo also introduces a highly practical bedroom and bathroom arrangement. The bathroom is attached to the bedroom suite, giving complete privacy and comfort, something you rarely find in traditional RVs. The bedroom itself features a king-size bed, premium upholstery, built-in wardrobes, and ambient lighting that creates a true retreat after a long day of traveling. You'll also find smart climate control and entertainment options embedded right into the room, giving it the feel of a five-star hotel suite. On the upper levels, Thor has taken things to another dimension, literally. The second level provides additional lounge areas, sleeping quarters, or even customizable office space for remote work travelers. And if that wasn't enough, the third level brings in a rooftop deck-style area, perfect for enjoying sunsets, stargazing, or entertaining guests outdoors without ever leaving your motorhome. This layered living arrangement makes the Palazzo stand out as one of the most versatile and luxurious options in the RV world. In terms of performance, Thor has engineered this beast with a powerful diesel engine designed to handle the weight and structure effortlessly. Expect smooth highway cruising, advanced suspension for comfort, and an array of driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping systems, and enhanced braking technology. Despite its massive size, maneuverability has been carefully considered, ensuring that drivers can feel confident on both open roads and tighter camping sites. Now let's talk about pricing. A motorhome of this caliber doesn't come cheap. Early estimates for the 2027 Thor Palazzo start from around $1.2 million and can easily climb depending on customization and additional features. While that might sound steep, it's important to remember that this is not just an RV. It's a rolling luxury residence designed for those who want to combine travel, comfort, and status into one package. The 2027 Thor Palazzo is a symbol of where the RV industry is heading, towards larger, smarter, and more luxurious designs that blur the line between a home and a vehicle. It's not for everyone, but for those who want the ultimate travel experience, this motorhome represents the future of luxury living on wheels. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want to see more futuristic motorhomes and next-generation RVs, make sure you hit that like button. If you enjoyed this motorhome exterior design and kitchen, living room, bathroom, and bedroom, so please hit that subscribe button to join our journey into the world of luxury travel innovation.